Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make Pakistani-style French toast. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of cardamom powder for that distinct aroma. Don't forget 4 slices of thick bread and about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or ghee for frying. This combination creates a truly unique and delicious breakfast. Now, let's prepare our flavorful batter. In a shallow dish, crack 2 large eggs and whisk them well until they are light and frothy. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of milk and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. For that signature Pakistani touch, sprinkle in a pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. Whisk everything together until the sugar has fully dissolved and the mixture is perfectly smooth. With our batter ready, it's time to dip and fry. Take each slice of thick bread and carefully immerse it into the egg mixture, allowing it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds per side. Meanwhile, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or ghee in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the soaked bread in the hot pan. Fry for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy texture. Your delicious Pakistani-style French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve it warm right off the pan. You can elevate its presentation and flavor by dusting it with a light sprinkle of powdered sugar or some finely chopped pistachios. It pairs wonderfully with a side of fresh berries or a drizzle of golden honey. This delightful treat is perfect for a special breakfast or a comforting brunch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.